The Air Jordan 5 35th anniversary combines legacy with elevated design, honoring the milestone with thoughtful touches and bold nostalgia. Set to release on October 11th in full family sizing, it echoes the rumored medium soft pink palette with rosy sharktooth midsole details and 23 embroidered on the heel. A standout sail 3M upper with reflective piping brings flash and texture, borrowing cues from the black Metallic Reimagined. Subtle coral-inspired tones pay homage to the traditional 35th anniversary gift, tying into the silver anniversary series of 2010. While entirely new, the color blocking nods to the classic Jordan 5 Fire Red, giving it an aged-well reinterpretation for modern sneakerheads. From bright neutrals to vintage vibes, this release bridges generational appeal, offering collectors and new fans alike a celebratory silhouette that's rich in history and ready for the spotlight.